Hello friends, welcome to our Kids Adventure Stories channel. Today's story is The Magical Broomstick and the Monkey. In a dense jungle filled with towering trees, vibrant plants and the calls of wild animals lived a playful and clever monkey named Max. Max was always up for an adventure and loved exploring the mysterious corners of the jungle. One day, while climbing an ancient, twisted tree, Max stumbled upon something very peculiar, a magical broomstick glowing faintly in the shade of the thick leaves. Max, curious as ever, jumped onto the broomstick, and to his amazement, it lifted him off the ground. The broomstick could fly. Excited, Max zoomed through the jungle, flying over rivers and treetops, feeling like the king of the skies. He soon realized this magical broomstick wasn't just for fun, it had great powers. It could help Max reach places in the jungle that no one else could. But as Max enjoyed his newfound flying skills, he noticed something troubling. Deep in the jungle, a huge storm was approaching, and it was heading towards a village where all his animal friends lived. If the storm hit, it could destroy their homes and lives. Max knew he had to do something, and fast. With courage in his heart, Max flew on the broomstick towards the storm. As he got closer, the winds became stronger, and the dark clouds loomed overhead. But Max wasn't afraid. He waved the magical broomstick, and suddenly a protective force surrounded the village, keeping the storm's fury at bay. The animals in the village, who had been terrified of the incoming storm, looked up to see Max flying high in the sky, battling the storm with his magical broomstick. Thanks to Max's bravery and the power of the magical broomstick, the storm passed without causing any harm. When the skies cleared, Max returned to the village. All the animals cheered and gathered around him, calling him a hero. But Max, always humble, smiled and said, "It wasn't just the broomstick. Sometimes true magic lies in having the courage to help others." From that day forward, Max the monkey and his magical broomstick were known throughout the jungle as protectors and friends to all. And whenever there was danger, Max would fly to the rescue, always ready to help his jungle friends. Thanks for watching our story, and if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon